Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll teach you how to set up shipping on TikTok Shop. If you want to know how it's done, then this video is for you. You can see right here that I'm actually on the seller center of TikTok Shop, and on this left sidebar right here we have here the option for shipping. So what we can do is we can expand this using this arrow down button, and we can see in here the options for shipping options. So when I click on that, I will be redirected to this particular tab wherein I can see all the standard shipping that is actually supported through my actual TikTok Shop. So as of right now, my actual options is the JNT Express, Ninja Van, as well as Flash Express. So take note that these couriers right here or providers will change depending on your actual location. So for me right now, I'm in the Philippines, so I have this Philippine couriers right here. So if you want to set up shipping, you just need to head over right here to your orders, click on this manage orders right here. And then once you have done that, you should be able to see in here all of the orders that has been made on your actual TikTok Shop. You just need to head over and click on that specific order, print the waybill, and once you're done with that, you just need to just pack the actual order and then paste the waybill in there and then head them to the couriers that we have mentioned right here on our shipping options. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful or if you have any questions, just comment them down below and we'll try our best to answer. Thanks.